Hi, this is Ivy with WTI, and today I want to share with you guys the car holder that I have. This car holder makes it super easy to have your phone on hand while you're driving. I love this car holder because it is expandable, so it adjusts to any phone size that you may have. And then all you have to do is tighten it on the phone and it does not move. It has a great grip and it holds on tightly to the vent. This especially comes in handy if you're driving over a bumpy road, so there's no reason for you to be worried that your phone may adjust to a different angle. This is great to access your phone while listening to music or using any kind of navigation while you're driving, and through the little hole at the mount on the bottom, you can even charge your phone while using it. Another plus is that thanks to its unique design, it does not interfere with the air circulation in the car, whether that be the AC or the heating. This truly has made driving so much safer for me. So if you want to avoid any accidents or anything like that while you're driving, then you should definitely go with this phone car holder. But that's just my point of view.